2020 is almost here, and if you want to start the new year off looking and feeling your best, give Dherbs 180 Challenge a try. The Dherbs 180 Challenge is a 60-day full body transformation that not only will help you lose those unwanted pounds, but also will assist you in making changes that will help you live a healthier lifestyle. Are you ready to make the change? Go to dherbs180.com and see for yourself. When you sign up for the challenge, you'll have access to our Facebook group, raw recipes, workout videos, weekly challenges, and more. And did I mention you can win $1,000 and lose up to 50 pounds? The 180 Challenge is available for purchase now. Our start dates are January 6th and January 13th. Go to dherbs180.com and sign up. That new you is only 60 days away.